Water quality parameters and standards. The standards for water are based on its quality in the streams and specify its suitability for different purposes, such as whether the water is used for drinking purpose, irrigation, industrial use, public health, or environmental safety. Indian Standard Institution plays a principal role in specifying the norms for various effluents so that the water quality standards are maintained. The Indian Standard Institution has laid down 5 types of standard: drinking water standards, stream standards, irrigation standards, bacteriological standards, and effluent standards. Drinking water standards are also known as potable water standards. National and international authorities have laid down various standards for domestic use of drinking water. The main agencies are Indian Standard Institution, Indian Council of Medical Research, World Health Organization, United States Public Health Standards. Parameters for water quality characterization and standards are illustrated in the table given below. The second are the stream standards. The permissible limits of drinking water parameters are 3 to 5 times higher for surface waters. The water quality criteria has been classified into different categories by Central Pollution Control Board and State Pollution Control Board depending upon the use of water, whether it is used for irrigation purpose, drinking purpose, industrial use, power generation or recreation, etc. Surface water should be free from materials which impart color, taste and turbidity. They should also be free from toxic metals, radionuclides, debris and scum. Third are the irrigation standards. In the irrigation standards, the major parameter of concern are salinity. Salinity is the most important parameter of concern. Salinity or total dissolved solid is the most important parameter for irrigation since it controls the availability of water to plants through osmotic pressure regulating mechanisms. The second factor is the water infiltration rate. High sodium and low calcium content of water reduces the water infiltration rate so that sufficient water cannot reach the crop roots. The third factor which is important in the irrigation standards is the specific iron toxicity. The presence of toxic metals such as copper, cadmium, arsenic, mercury, etc. in water causes crop damage and leads to reduced agricultural yield. Last but not the least are the miscellaneous constituents. Excess of nitrate ion in water causes eutrophication. Eutrophication is injurious for plant growth. Suitability of water with different constituents has been tabulated by various agencies. Fourth are the bacteriological standards. These standards have been set by the World Health Organization and they are followed by all the various agencies all over the world. The first parameter in this is the E. coli bacteria count. The bacterial count in any sample of 100 ml water should be 0. Total bacterial count should not be more than 10 per 100 milliliter in any sample of water. Last are the effluent standards. Effluent standards are related to the quality of wastewaters which originate from industry, community and agriculture. The parameters which are taken into consideration in effluent standards include the pH of the water, the suspended solids present in the water, total dissolved solids, the biological oxygen demand, oil and grease present in the water, sulfate, chloride, fluoride, phenolic compounds present in the water.